What defines the ultimate chicken shawarma? Is it the exquisitely balanced spices, the succulent, yielding meat, or the perfect marriage of vibrant toppings? Today on AI Chef, we're embarking on a culinary deep dive into this Middle Eastern icon, using AI-powered insights to elevate every layer of flavor. Prepare for an unforgettable taste experience. The soul of exceptional shawarma resides within its marinade. We begin by whisking together extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, its acidity key to creating tenderness, minced garlic, cumin, paprika, turmeric, coriander, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, sea salt, and freshly cracked black pepper in a spacious bowl. This potent infusion will imbue our chicken with unparalleled depth. Intriguingly, AI Chef's sophisticated flavor profile analysis indicates that this carefully calibrated ratio of cumin to coriander is paramount in achieving that signature shawarma earthiness, harmonizing the warmth of cinnamon and the gentle spark of cayenne. It's a precise alchemy perfected through data. Now for our star ingredient, the chicken. We introduce the bite-sized thigh pieces to the bowl, meticulously ensuring each one is lavishly coated in our intoxicating marinade. This marks the beginning of a transformation, as the flavors permeate every fiber of the meat. Once impeccably coated, we securely cover the bowl and refrigerate. A minimum of 30 minutes will suffice, however. For a genuinely remarkable flavor odyssey, aim for up to 2 hours. The longer the chicken luxuriates, the more intense, complex, and incredibly tender it becomes. While our chicken is absorbing flavor, we prepare our cooking canvas. We deploy a generous skillet, heating it over medium-high intensity until optimal warmth is achieved. A subtle misting of cooking oil prevents adhesion, paving the way for captivating browning. Carefully introduce the marinated chicken to the receptive skillet in a single, deliberate layer, exercising caution to avoid overcrowding. Overcrowding compromises temperature and promotes steaming rather than desirable searing. We crave that alluring, flavorful crust. Sustain cooking for roughly 5 to 7 minutes per facet, rotating periodically, until fully cooked and gently charred. Seek that distinctive deep golden brown hue, a testament to scrumptious caramelization and robust flavor amplification. For absolute certainty, deploy a meat thermometer to assess the internal temperature. It must register 74 degrees Celsius or 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Food safety remains paramount. Delicately remove the perfectly cooked chicken from the skillet and permit it to rest briefly prior to assembling the shawarma. This crucial step allows the flavorful juices to evenly redistribute, guaranteeing a supremely tender and mouth-watering final creation. While our chicken is resting, let us prepare our pita bread. Irrespective of whether you select a dry skillet, microwave, or adhere to package specifications, the objective remains consistent: supple, warm pita poised to cradle our savory masterpiece. Now for the symphony of assembly. Distribute a lavish layer of velvety hummus uniformly across each warmed pita bread. The hummus imparts a rich, nutty foundation, elegantly complementing the savory chicken and the crisp, fresh vegetables. Subsequent to this, artfully arrange our impeccably cooked chicken, finely diced cucumber delivering refreshing coolness, delicately sliced red onion introducing piquant zest, and succulent diced tomato contributing bursts of juicy sweetness atop our hummus canvas. This amalgamation orchestrates a delightful chorus of textures and tastes. Finally, the pièce de résistance, a generous cascade of luxurious tahini sauce. This opulent sesame-infused sauce contributes a final layer of richness and harmonizes all the elements into an unforgettable symphony of flavors. A delicate scattering of freshly chopped parsley introduces not only a vibrant visual accent, but also an explosion of invigorating, herbaceous flavor. This constitutes the quintessential finishing stroke to our lovingly crafted chicken shawarma. And thus, our culinary journey culminates. Our eye-enhanced homemade chicken shawarma, an exquisite confluence of flavors and textures collaborating in perfect harmony. From the captivating marinade to the vivacious toppings, each morsel constitutes an explosion of Middle Eastern delight. This transcends mere sustenance. It embodies a captivating experience. Indulge. We trust you reveled in this AI chef expedition. We continuously seek novel methodologies to harness AI's potential in enriching your culinary pursuits. What delectable creation shall we explore next? Share your insights in the comments section below. Please express your appreciation by liking this presentation, subscribing to AI Chef for an abundance of delectable recipes, and remember, the complete recipe specifications encompassing precise measurements are readily accessible within the video description below. And be sure to join us next time as we unlock the secrets of AI in optimizing sourdough fermentation, revealing depths of flavor previously unimaginable. Until our paths converge once more, happy cooking.